In this lesson, you'll be creating some buttons. Button designs are nice to practice with because they're small and they print quickly, but they encourage you to use different shapes and tools in Tinkercad. So to begin, we'll click on Resources, Learning Center, View All, scroll down to the buttons. You'll make a basic button, a duffel button, flower button, heart button, and a skull button. And then in addition to these, you'll create 5 more buttons that are your original creations that you designed from scratch. And you'll be 3D printing all of the designs that you make as well. Again, even though there are a lot, they all will print very quickly. And you can even print them all at once. So I'll click on the first exercise. I've already completed it, so I can just click Review to jump to the end. There's my button. Now I'll click Export, Save as STL file. And then when I look in my Downloads folder, here's the button. So I will import this file into Bamboo Studio and slice it and print it. As I said, you can wait and export all your buttons, including the original designs that you'll make, and import them all into Bamboo Studio all at once and print them all at the same time. To exit the exercise, I'll click the Tinkercad logo. It takes me to my tutorials, and in Designs, you can create your own buttons. Here are some examples that I made and printed. I will point out a couple tips that could be helpful. So the holes for the buttons, I created a kind of template. You can see I have 2 small cylinders that are joined as a single object. Now, whenever I create a new button, I can just click Duplicate and then drag those holes out and group them with my new button design. Similarly, I have a basic template of a button that I can add and subtract from. And once again, I can just copy that, move it over, and now I might add a ring to it, select all the shapes, make sure they're centered, select them all again, group them, and I have a new button. Having templates like these can save you time so that you don't have to create the holes from scratch for every single button design that you make. So create and print your buttons, take a photo of them, and post your photo to the class discussion topic. Here are my printed buttons. I can't wait to see what you come up with.